Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed, stay with Inspiring Inputs. When I believe in something, I am like a dog with a bone. Get a good idea and stay with it. Dog it and work at it until it is done right. He that can have patience can have what he will. If there is no struggle, there is no progress. Develop success from failures. Discouragement and failure are two of the surest stepping stones to success. Inspiration does exist, but it must find you working. Keep a little fire burning, however small, however hidden. Resilience is when you address uncertainty with flexibility. Courage is like a muscle. We strengthen it by use. Don't look at your feet to see if you are doing it right. Just dance. If it makes you nervous, you are doing it right. I learned a long time ago that there is something worse than missing the goal, and that is not pulling the trigger. Show up, show up, show up, and after a while, the muse shows up too. It is a rough road that leads to the heights of greatness. I have stood on a mountain of no's for one yes. If we take care of the moments, the years will take care of themselves. The standard you walk past is the standard you accept. Don't settle for average. Bring your best to the moment. Then, whether it fails or succeeds, at least you know you gave all you had. For the great doesn't happen through impulse alone, and is a succession of little things that are brought together. Courage is the most important of all the virtues, because without courage, you can't practice any other virtue consistently. Sometimes, magic is just someone spending more time on something than anyone else might reasonably expect. And the day came when the risk to remain tied in a bud was more painful than the risk it took to blossom. You can get everything in life you want if you will just help enough other people get what they want. First, forget inspiration. Habit is more dependable. Habit will sustain you whether you are inspired or not. Habit will help you finish and polish your stories. Inspiration won't. Habit is persistence in practice. The battles that count are not the ones for gold medals. The struggles within yourself, the invisible, inevitable battles inside all of us, that is where it is at. If the decisions you make about where you invest your blood, sweat, and tears are not consistent with the person you aspire to be, you will never become that person. Hope you like the content. Please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Have a great day ahead. Good luck to you.